Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a thought-provoking scenario: what would happen if all cars become electric? As we move towards a greener future, electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular. But what would it mean if every single car on the road was electric? Let's dive into this intriguing concept and discuss the potential impacts. If all cars became electric, we would witness several significant changes in various aspects of our lives. Let's start with the environmental impact. One of the primary motivations behind the shift to electric vehicles is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. With no tailpipe emissions from electric cars, the air quality in cities and along highways would dramatically improve, resulting in cleaner and healthier environments for everyone. Additionally, the reduction in greenhouse gas emissions would help mitigate the effects of global warming, contributing to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future. It would also decrease our dependence on fossil fuels, which are finite resources with a detrimental impact on the environment during extraction and combustion. Another key aspect to consider is the energy grid. The widespread adoption of electric vehicles would put additional strain on the electricity grid. However, advancements in smart grid technologies, coupled with increased investments in renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power, would help accommodate the increased demand for electricity. These developments could pave the way for a more resilient and sustainable energy infrastructure. From a societal perspective, the transition to all-electric cars would bring about changes in the automotive industry. Traditional car manufacturers would need to adapt their production lines to focus primarily on electric vehicle manufacturing. This shift would require retraining the workforce and potentially the creation of new job opportunities in renewable energy, battery technology, and charging infrastructure development. Moreover, the cost of electric vehicles would likely decrease as production scales up and technology advances. This affordability would make electric cars more accessible to a wider range of people, accelerating their adoption and leading to a more widespread transition from internal combustion engine vehicles. Another significant change would be the transformation of the fueling infrastructure. With all cars being electric, the need for gasoline stations would decline, while the demand for charging stations would skyrocket. Governments and private entities would need to invest in a comprehensive and efficient charging network to support the increased number of electric vehicles on the road. This investment would create a network of conveniently located charging stations, making it easier for people to charge their cars while traveling or during their daily routines. Furthermore, the automotive industry would experience advancements in battery technology. Currently, one of the main concerns with electric vehicles is their limited range and charging time. However, with continued research and development, we can expect breakthroughs in battery technology, resulting in longer driving ranges and faster charging times. This would eliminate range anxiety and make electric vehicles even more appealing to the general public. In conclusion, if all cars become electric, we would experience a range of positive impacts. The environment would benefit from reduced emissions and improved air quality, while our dependence on fossil fuels would diminish. The automotive industry would undergo significant transformations, leading to job opportunities and advancements in battery technology. Charging infrastructure would become more robust, making electric vehicles a convenient and viable option for all. With the right investments and continued innovation, a future where all cars are electric is a promising step towards a greener and more sustainable world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this topic.